Hey everybody, I'm Jack from Barbecue Land, and in this video we're going to look at some of the accessories you can get for your Ooni pizza oven. Hey everybody, Jack from Barbecue Land. Today we're going to talk about some of the awesome accessories you can get for your Ooni pizza oven. They've got a great range of cast iron pans, so we're going to talk through these today. All the cast iron pans come with a wooden base to protect your garden furniture, your work surfaces, because obviously these are going to go into your pizza oven, which is going to be 300 degrees plus, so you don't want to be putting them down onto your furniture and leaving a mark on the table or surface. Obviously the pizza oven is predominantly used for making pizzas, but Ooni encourages you to think outside the box. Cooking steaks, vegetables, anything that can really fit inside the oven will be perfect. So they have a 9-inch skillet, which comes with a protective handle. So when you're getting the pan out of the oven, you can use the handle so you don't have to put your hand in and risk getting burnt. And as I said, they all come with this protective wooden base that you can put the pan onto. This is Ooni's Sizzler pan. Again, nice handle for protection when getting the pan in and out of the oven, and a wooden base to sit it on once you've used it. So hot pan, don't go onto your garden surface, onto the wooden protective layer they give you. Nice and safe for your garden furniture, and you won't get in trouble with your wife for burning a hole in your table. This is Ooni's dual-sided grizzler plate. It's humongous and heavy, but you can do a lot on this. So one side of it is actually flat. So if you wanted to do something like smash burgers maybe, or pancakes, or fried eggs, this is a nice flat surface, perfect for cooking. And when you turn it over, you've got a raised edge. So when you're cooking meat and you want to get those lovely grill marks, this is ideal for that. Again, comes with 2 handles, so you can safely move it in and out the oven and obviously onto your display board. All of the range comes pre-seasoned and ready to use. Ooni also have a range of pizza peels. This is their 12-inch perforated anodized pizza peel for putting your pizzas into the oven. And they also have a pizza peel which is designed for turning your pizzas whilst they are actually inside the oven. So obviously a bit of a longer handle, again perforated to allow steam and flour to escape, so you can get in and turn that pizza without getting your hands nearer to the flame. This is your carry case for the Oonifier. It becomes really easy to transport now. We've got the door still on the oven, the fuel compartment still actually inside, and it comes with a second part. So your chimney and your pellet hopper are tucked away nicely in this, and this literally sits on the top. And hooks into place. So now the whole unit can be transported as one. Ooni also do their own range of hardwood pellets. We're going to be using these in our cooks later on. This is their beech range. So a nice hardwood that will burn hot in our pizza oven. Thanks again for joining me today on Barbecue Land's channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget anything you've seen featured in today's video is available online. So check it out in the description below, and I will see you again soon when we're going to actually fire up the oven and cook some pizzas. See you later.